guys, we're out tracking down the noise, the RF noise. This is part two. And sorry, there was an issue with recording, so I've had to do a voiceover. This is the RF Explorer that I'm using because the Tiny SA just didn't seem to cut the mustard, or maybe I configured something wrong. But here we are, we've got it set, and we're now making our way towards the noise. And we located about 250 metres down the road on the old Optus HFC network. This analyzer I was using to install boosters on the 3 and 4G network for the Cellfire Go units, but now I have a Compass XR Pro to do that job. So I thought I'd utilise this, and we managed to track down the noise, and here it is, here on the pole.
So yeah, I'm thinking that maybe the Optus network causing the issue. You're getting about negative 92. I think I even seen it drop as low as negative 88 dBm. Negative 73 is about an S9 on your signal meter, on your radio. And you're using a beam with about 8 dB again. It's really going to drive that signal up. So our next call is to give Optus a call. If not, we may have to report the issue to the ACMA and get them to have a look and find out. Get it done. But hopefully, this looks like, I think, without putting the ladder up there, that this may be a Optus issue. Alright guys, 73s, beers and cheers, remember. Keep the bands alive by calling CQ, and you just never know who may be listening. Cheers for now.